Here's the kitchen playset by Vevor. Really nice material. Everything's out of wood. All the tools that come with it. There's a little faucet, the stove, the timer, the little microwave, all the stuff, the little vent. And what's cool, it comes with the little toys already. So all the little spoons, the knife, the food, the pots, the salt and the pepper shaker. So let's put it together. So here's the little kitchen, the final product. So down here you have the dishwasher, you have the oven, you have the little stove with the pot and pan, little foods, the utensils which you could hang on the hooks, the sink, you have two little knobs on this side, the microwave, the little vent which takes batteries, you turn it on, it has a light and a fan, they all work, and the little salt and pepper with the little clock there. There you have it.
Soup. And do you want it with onion? Sure. And this